Under what law? What's the reason you're stopping me?
Your mobile phone whilst driving.
Under what law? Under what law? Under what law? Under what law? Under what law?
Under section 163 of the Road Traffic Act 1988.
I'm going to keep asking you, under what law? Under what law?
I'm stopping the vehicle under section 163 of the Road Traffic Act 1988.
Under what law?
You can repeat this shit over and over again, but it's not going to change the fact that you've been pulled over for being on the phone like the dick flute you are. The UK police can actually ask you for a driver's license, insurance, MOT certifications, and if you cannot provide them, they will ask you to identify yourself. After which you have 7 days to produce them at your local police station. Failure to do so means you're breaking the law. Now prepare yourself, Spiffies. This is gonna be fun.
Okay, so
PC Cummins, I'm based at Ragical Police Station, which
Yep.
numbers 2353, okay?
Yep.
Under section 162 of the Road Traffic Act 1988,
Yep.
I require you to show me your driver's license, certificate of insurance, please.
no, you don't need to see that.
I do, because I need to prove that you have a driver's license and
Under what law? What's the reason you're stopping me?
Under section 163 of the Road Traffic
Yep.
Act 1988.
Yep. You have no jurisdiction.
I do.
You do not have any jurisdiction. I haven't broken any law.
Yeah,
So you
but
do
I've
not have any
received a
right to stop me,
driver's
okay?
license and certificate of insurance.
No, you do not need that.
164,
Yep.
165, the Road Traffic Act
Yep.
1988, please.
Yeah, that's a statute and an act and legislation. I do not stand under your authority.
You do.
No, I do not. I'm practicing common law,
Okay.
okay, and I run and work under common law jurisdiction. Okay?
What does that mean?
You need to find that out.
No,
Okay?
it's-
I stand under
I'm
constitutional
under
law.
section 163,
Okay, and I do not-
165, Road Traffic Act 1988,
Okay.
to produce certificate of insurance, the driver's
No,
license.
under what law?
Entirely irrelevant. You have broken the law by being on the phone like the dick flute you are, like I said. For fuck's sake, man, you're a danger on the road. And these officers want to see your license, registration, and all that jazz.
Under section 163.
Law. Under what law? That's not a law, that's an act. Under what law? Under what law?
And you required to show me certificate of insurance
No, I'm
and
not.
driver's license.
No, I'm not.
Okay?
Under what law? I'm going to keep asking you, under what law?
It's irrelevant, I've told you.
It's not irrelevant.
It is. I've told
Excuse
you.
me, you're a public servant. You work for me.
Do I now?
You do.
Okay.
You work for me,
Okay.
and you're a public servant. You have no jurisdiction or authority over
I
me.
do, as power of constable.
No, you don't.
Section 163.
Okay, I'm putting you on notice, officer. Are you constable?
Yes.
Okay, are you standing under your oath today?
Yes.
Okay, so therefore your job is to protect and serve me. Okay, correct? Are you standing under your oath?
You know, if you would shut the fuck up, you could actually listen to the man explain to you why you're an idiot. I mean, let's be honest here. He's here to protect and serve. That's correct. He's also here to protect and serve everyone around you. You're an idiot driving in your car with your phone out. They should just impound your car and nullify your bloody driver's license. You're not allowed on the road in my eyes.
Yes, but also... I
no, wait.
require you
So-
under Section 163 of the Road Traffic Act.
No.
Certificate of insurance and
No.
driver's license.
No, if you're standing under your oath, then you're to protect and serve. Have I committed a crime? Excuse me. Excuse me. Have I committed a crime?
No, but under Section
No,
163
exactly.
of the
So
Road Traffic Act
therefore,
1988.
so in what
I don't know that at the
capacity,
moment.
excuse me, under what capacity are you stopping me?
I've told you.
Criminal
under
or civil?
I've stopped
Excuse me,
you.
criminal or civil?
Criminal. Section
Criminal.
163 of the Road
You're
Traffic Act
stopping me under a criminal
Well,
offence?
I don't know whether.
Oh,
you have certificate
so it's an
of insurance or
allegation, is it?
driver's license.
Okay, it's an allegation, is it?
Well, I want you to prove to me.
No,
certificate
no,
of insurance
no.
or
You
driver's
need to
license.
prove to me because you're a business and a corporation. I do not stand under your authority. Okay, so I'm leaving. Okay.
No, sir. Stop the vehicle now.
No, can you move out of my way? Can you move out of my way? You're stopping me and in the line of duty.
On your mobile phone whilst driving.
No, get on. You need to remove.
£200 fine.
You need to move out of my way because you're not detaining me under any law.
Mobile phone whilst driving, sir. You're filming it as well.
Under what law? Under what law?
So, Mr. Under what law? There's driving codes. Driving offense codes, to be exact. This one seems to be listed under CU80, where if you are using a mobile phone in your car, not hands-free, you're breaking the law. And if you weren't constantly going, excuse me, under what law, under what law, under what law, contrary to popular belief, I don't like to repeat myself, so stop it, you would have actually heard the officer explain to you that it's a £200 fine, which you're gonna get, alongside up to 6 points on your license. Not to mention, if you have only passed your driving test within the last 2 years, you're gonna lose your license. So are you sure you want to play this stupid game? Please play this stupid game. We want you to do it.
I've just asked you, under what law do I need to provide that?
Committed a moving road traffic offence. Now, using your mobile phone.
No, I haven't. You're harassing me. You're harassing me. Okay. And if you continue, I will seek a private prosecution against yourself.
That's completely fine, sir.
And what's your colleague's number as well?
Make a complaint if you ring 101 or do it online.
Okay, you've been harassing. Okay, you were harassing me in town as well earlier.
How was I doing that, sir?
Because you were hanging around and like speaking to people who I was speaking to, and speak to people who I was speaking to. So as I said to you before, are you standing under your oath?
Am I not allowed to talk to members of the public?
Okay, are you standing under your oath?
So you're going to provide me with your details?
No, I do not. I'm not required to do so.
Actually, you are required to do so by law. Also, are you gonna tell people not to talk to the police? Under what law?
You need to get one of your inspectors.
Yeah, so don't move your vehicle, okay?
Under what law?
I'm stopping the vehicle under section 163 Road Traffic Act 1988.
Under what law?
Under section 163.
No, law. I said under what law? That's an act.
Yeah, well, I can stop any vehicle I want under.
No, you can't. No, you can't.
If you look on your phone,
it doesn't matter. That's an act. That's statute. Excuse me. That's statute law. I don't stand under your authority.
Oh, for fuck's sake, man. They are allowed to stop you. Under what law do you think you are safe from this? I mean, this is really simple. You just identify yourself, you pay the fine for being a moron with shit for brains, driving with your phone in your hand, you know, completely ignoring all safety of other people, you egocentric little maniac.
So you're going to provide me with your driver's license?
I'm under no obligation to do so.
You're under arrest for using your mobile phone whilst driving, okay? You don't have to say anything.
No.
Behind the fence. Do not mention when you question something which they try and court.
Under what law do I need to provide you my details?
Your arrest is necessary to obtain your name and address, as you've failed to provide me with that and refused to, okay?
I'm not obliged to do so.
Okay, then. We'll have to do a forced entry to the vehicle.
Okay, if you do so, you'll be
open the vehicle,
okay. If you do so, you'll be committing a criminal offence.
Well, you're under arrest
because I do not give you permission to do so.
Ah, shit, lads, it's over. He doesn't give you permission to do so. I think you guys can go home now. I mean, under what law do you think? Oh, wait. We actually already went over that. For fuck's sake, man. I still don't understand why these idiots keep doing this. I mean, it's funny to us, but I do hope he stops saying under what law. I'm pretty sure he's not gonna stop.
Open the door, okay?
Sorry?
I require you to open the door because you're under arrest. Okay?
Under what law?
Oh, come on! Why?
I told you you're under arrest.
Under what law?
Open the door, please.
And what law have I broken? You need to get an inspector down here because you're not qualified in law to be able to tell me what law I've broken. I haven't. No, that's statute. Unfortunately, that's not law. I don't need to do so. That statute is statute law.
You know, I'm getting rather fed up with him constantly going, that statute, under what law? Hey buddy, maybe you should have actually looked this up before doing it dumb. An act or statute is a law made by the UK Parliament. Which just leaves me wondering, why the hell are you so freaking arrogant and you're ignorant, you dick flute extraordinaire?
Okay, statute law.
Right.
Okay.
You're under arrest, sir, so we can discuss it later.
Under what law?
Under the Road Traffic Act, you commit an offence, we can't identify who you are. So, at the moment, you've got two options. You either open the door...
I'm parked up, so how am I using the mobile phone when driving?
Okay,
I'm recording for my safety. I'm recording for my safety. Are you all standing under your oath today?
I just love how they keep ignoring this dumb coming from his mouth. Also, is he gonna be under duress or something similar? This script is like almost a carbon copy of the United States Sovcit Script.
I'm going to put in this window.
Are you standing under your oath today?
Yes.
Okay, so you're here to serve and protect. I feel totally intimidated. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 police officers surrounding my vehicle.
Yeah, and they seem really threatening, just standing there asking you very friendly to get out of the car. But hey, anything for content, right? What's next? You're gonna sue him for breaking your window? Come on, man. Don't be so predictable.
If you touch my vehicle, you will be also under arrest for criminal damage to a vehicle. I haven't broken any law. What law have I broken?
Really? An off-screen facepalm. Holy hell, that's at first. And we've been over this so many times now. You just keep repeating the same nonsense over and over again, like it's some kind of magic trick to get you out of this situation. I'll tell you what, buddy. So, you want a law. I'm just gonna make one up on the spot. Refusing to brain. That's one of the laws I do not allow to be broken.
You still haven't told me what law I've broken, officer. Constable.
Use a mobile phone whilst driving, okay?
Okay. When did I agree to your terms of business?
Oh no, he's not gonna engage in a contract with them. He literally just downloaded the USA Sovcit Script. That's what he did. He just changed a few words around. I'll be out of here. I'll leave the cow at charge. This is, yeah.
You don't need to, sir.
Yes, I do. You're a business and a limited company, okay? And I do not stand under your authority. No contract, no consent.
That's fine.
No contract, no consent. Do you understand?
Yes, I completely understand.
Okay, so no contract, no consent. I do not stand under your authority, okay? Number one. And number two, I'm a common law citizen.
He failed to produce any driving licence, any documents to us, and also he started driving towards me using his mobile phone, albeit he has moved approximately 1 metre, but he's still using his mobile phone while to drive. No, I've not met this guy before.
As I said to you, no contract, okay? Can you tell me the proclamation date when I accepted your terms of business? What is the proclamation date that I asked or agreed to your terms of business?
Oh, for fuck's sake. I'd have to see your driver's license, in it. No, the date on there. That's the moment you agreed. What the hell was that?
You need to answer my questions because you work for me. You're a public servant, sir. As I said to you, what law have I broken? I haven't broken any law. Everything you're saying is statute. No, that under what law? That's not a law, sir.
Traffic offence.
That's not a law. It's not a law, is it?
That's why you're under arrest.
It's statute. Statute law, sir.
What do you mean you're done? You want me to go? Oh, fine, I'll go back. Yeah, statute law. Did you even hear what you just said? Wait, something seems off. Ah, damn it, cow!
I do not consent to statute. That's an act and legislation. That is nothing to do with law.
You're under arrest for taking without owner's consent, because you can't produce any documents.
Sorry?
You own this vehicle, so on suspicion of taking without owner's consent. You don't have to say anything that may harm defence. You don't mention when questioned something which is later on in court. Anything you do say may be given evidence.
No contract. No contract, no consent.
Name and address and ownership.
No contract, no consent. You need to get your inspector down here so I can speak with
If
him.
you wish to make a complaint, you can either ring 101 or go into the front office and then go make a complaint through that if you so require.
Right, I do not consent.
Yeah, you said a couple of times, we understand.
Okay, oh, do you understand then? Okay, well, I'm free to leave then, aren't I?
No, you're not free to leave. It's currently under arrest for 2 offences, okay, sir?
2 offences, really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, like I said, I don't contract with you. No contract, no consent.
He keeps getting dumber. Isn't he? He is, isn't he? What do you think driving is? You know, you're driving a motor vehicle. That is your contract, what you're going on about. And there's something else going on here. He sounds like Sleeping Warrior, the constant repetition of nonsense. Sleeping Warrior is a flat earther. This guy is just as dumb, while proclaiming they are self-certified geniuses. It's amazing, really. So keep in mind, I removed all the dead air. This is uploaded as a 3-parter. The best part might be last, but it's certainly not least. Enjoy.
That's criminal damage, so I do not consent. I do not consent. I said no contracts, and I do not consent, is what I said.
Right, cool. Yeah,
can get now.
You gonna get out? Brilliant.
Stay there.
In a way, it's kind of amazing how these people think that I do not consent, I do not have a contract with you, are somehow a magic incantation to stop this from happening. Well, newsflash, mate. Your consent is not required when you've been informed you are under arrest. And the moment you get your driver's license, which is required by law to operate a motor vehicle, you enter into a contract with the state. Also, this might surprise you. Your license isn't actually your property. It still belongs to the state. And as I said, an act of parliament or statute are laws. So, YouTube endgame. How arrogant is the ignorance on the scale of dick flute to cow patty? Tell me in the comments, as I'm actually quite curious how that skill is gonna work. Now remember to tickle my bell and all buttons around it. And I will see you in the next video. Live redirect on Ragical Plays or wherever I do stuff on this website. So, you know, bye-bye. Now, Ragical, I do apologize for waking you up, but is that reason to throw my sword at me? I see.